Did you know SafeNet Trusted Access can help you achieve passwordless authentication simply by logging into your Windows 10 workstation? Now, I'm not talking about SSO or one of our other ways for you to go passwordless. I'm talking about Windows Kerberos, a technology built right into the Windows 10 OS. With Kerberos enabled, I can log into my Windows workstation once, and I can tell SafeNet Trusted Access to use that login for accessing my other applications. A great enhancement to the user experience without compromising security. Let me show you how we configure that in STA. First, I'll log into my STA Access Management console. And once in, let's take a look at the settings and click Integrated Windows Authentication. Now, you're going to see instructions for the required Active Directory configuration here, and I'm not going to run through all of it in this video, but an AD administrator can make pretty quick sense out of this. But let's quickly jump into Active Directory and enable a couple of settings under the service account I'll be using for this. Under Account Options, select Kerberos AES 256-bit encryption. And under the Delegation tab, select Trust this user for delegation to any service Kerberos only. Now back to the Management Console. For Kerberos authentication, you'll need to upload a pre-built key tab file. Follow the link in the description for help with this step. Upload the key tab file, change the user mapping setting to SAS User ID, click Finish, and Enable. Now while we're in the Management Console, let's take a look at our policies. Now under the appropriate policy, you'll need to uncheck Token-Based Authentication and ensure the Allow Integrated Windows Authentication with Kerberos is checked. For a quick peek at what that policy is doing now, hover over the info icon. Now let's see what that looks like when we tie it all together by logging into the application I've applied my policy to, my STA user console. And as you can see, no password required. And the logs show us Kerberos was my method of authentication.